Qwen 2 impressive LLM and AI coding assistant can help you write the perfect code. Welcome to Today AI. Qwen 2 is an advanced open-source large language model and AI coding assistant that has shown significant improvements over its predecessor, Qwen 1.5. It is available in 5 different sizes and has been trained on multiple languages. The model excels in various benchmarks, including natural language understanding, coding, and mathematics, and is highly competitive with other leading models like GPT-4 and LLaMA 3. After months of efforts, we are pleased to announce the evolution from Qwen 1.5 to Qwen 2. This time, we bring to you pre-trained and instruction-tuned models of 5 sizes, including Qwen 2-0.5b, Qwen 2-1.5b, Qwen 2-7b, Qwen 2-57b, A14b, and Qwen 2-72b. Having been trained on data in 27 additional languages besides English and Chinese, state-of-the-art performance in a large number of benchmark evaluations, significantly improved performance in coding and mathematics, extended context length support up to 128K tokens with Qwen 2-7b, Instruct, and Qwen 2-72b, Instruct. We have open-sourced the models in Hugging Face and Model Scope to you, and we are looking forward to hearing from you. Model information. The Qwen 2 series include base and instruction-tuned models of 5 sizes, including Qwen 2-0.5b, Qwen 2-1.5b, Qwen 2-7b, Qwen 2-57b, A14b, Qwen 2-72b. We illustrate the key information of the models in the following table. Specifically, previously in Qwen 1.5, only Qwen 1.5-32b and Qwen 1.5-110b have adopted Group Query Attention, GQA. This time, for all model sizes, we apply GQA so that they can enjoy the benefits of faster speed and less memory usage in model inference. For small models, we prefer the application of tying embedding as the large sparse embeddings take up a large proportion of the total model parameters. In terms of the context length, all base language models have been pre-trained on data of the context length of 32K tokens, and we observe satisfactory extrapolation capabilities up to 128K in PPL evaluation. However, for instruction-tuned models, we are not satisfied with merely PPL evaluation. We need the models to be capable of correctly understanding long context and completing tasks. In the table, we list the context length capabilities of instruction-tuned models, as assessed through the evaluation of the needle in a haystack task. Notably, when augmented with YRN, both Qwen 2-7b, Instruct, and Qwen 2-72b, Instruct models demonstrate an impressive capacity to handle context lengths extending up to 128K tokens. Significant efforts were directed towards augmenting both the volume and quality of pre-training and instruction tuning datasets across a diverse linguistic spectrum beyond English and Chinese to bolster its multilingual competencies. Although large language models possess an inherent capacity to generalize to other languages, we explicitly highlight the inclusion of 27 additional languages in our training. Additionally, we have devoted significant effort to addressing code switching, a frequent occurrence in multilingual evaluation. Consequently, our model's proficiency in handling this phenomenon have notably enhanced. Evaluations using prompts that typically induce code switching across languages confirm a substantial reduction in associated issues. Performance. Comparative assessments reveal substantial enhancements in performance for large-scale models, 70B+ parameters, relative to Qwen 1.5. Here are evaluation centers on the large-size model Qwen 2-72b. In terms of base language models, Qwen 2-72b and state-of-the-art open models are evaluated for different capabilities including natural language understanding, knowledge acquisition, coding proficiency, mathematical skills, and multilingual abilities. Benefiting from meticulously curated datasets and optimized training methods, Qwen 2-72b exhibits superior performance compared to leading models such as LLaMA 3-70b. Notably, it surpasses the performance of its predecessor, Qwen 1.5-110b, despite having fewer parameters. After extensive large-scale pre-training, we conduct post-training to further enhance Qwen's intelligence, bringing it closer to human. This process further improves the model's capabilities in areas such as coding, mathematics, reasoning, instruction following, multilingual understanding, and more. Additionally, it aligns the model's output with human values, ensuring that it is helpful, honest, and harmless. Our post-training phase is designed with the principle of scalable training with minimal human annotation. Specifically, we investigate how to obtain high-quality, reliable, diverse and creative demonstration data and preference data with various automated alignment strategies, such as rejection sampling for math, execution feedback for coding and instruction following, back translation for creative writing, scalable oversight for roleplay, etc. As for training, we apply a combination of supervised fine-tuning, reward model training, and online DPO training. We also employ a novel online merging optimizer to minimize the alignment tax. These collective efforts have significantly boosted the capabilities and intelligence of our models, as illustrated in the following table. We comprehensively evaluate Qwen 2-72b, instruct on 16 benchmarks across various domains. Qwen 2-72b, instruct strikes a balance between obtaining better capabilities and aligning well with human values. Specifically, Qwen 2-72b, instruct significantly surpasses Qwen 1.5-72b, chat across all benchmarks, and also reaches competitive performance compared with LLaMA 3-70b, instruct. In terms of smaller models, our Qwen 2 models also outcompete the SOTA models of similar or even larger sizes. In comparison with the very recently released SOTA models, Qwen 2-7b, instruct can still demonstrate advantages across benchmarks, showing specifically outstanding performance on coding and Chinese-related metrics. Coding and mathematics. We have persistently dedicated our efforts to enhance the advanced capabilities of Qwen, particularly in coding and mathematics. In coding, we have successfully integrated the code training experience and data from Code Qwen 1.5, resulting in significant improvements in Qwen 2-72b, instruct across various programming languages. Regarding mathematics, by exploiting the extensive and high-quality datasets, Qwen 2-72b, instruct has reflect stronger capabilities in solving mathematic problems. Long context understanding. In Qwen 2, all instruction tune models have been trained on 32K length contexts and extrapolated to longer context lengths using techniques like YRN or dual chunk attention. The figure below shows our test results on the needle in a haystack. Notably, Qwen 2-72b, instruct is capable of flawlessly handling information extraction tasks within a 128K context. Coupled with its inherent strong performance, it becomes the preferred choice for handling long text tasks when resources are sufficient. Additionally, it's worth noting the impressive capabilities of other models in the series. Qwen 2-7b, instruct nearly flawlessly handles contexts up to 128K in length. Qwen 2-57b, A14b instruct manages contexts up to 64K, and the two smaller models in the lineup support contexts of 32K. Alongside the long context models, we have also open-sourced an agent solution for efficiently processing documents containing up to 1 million tokens. For more details, see our dedicated blog post on this topic. Safety and responsibility. The table below presents the proportion of harmful responses generated by large models for 4 categories of multilingual unsafe queries: illegal activity, fraud, pornography, privacy violence. The test data was derived from Jailbreak and translated into multiple languages for evaluation. We find that LLaMA 3 does not effectively handle multilingual prompts, and therefore, it is not included in the comparison. Through significance testing, p_value, we found that the Qwen 2-72b instruct model performs comparably to GPT-4 in terms of safety and significantly outperforms the Mistral 8x22b model. Developing with Qwen 2. Now, all models have been released in Hugging Face and Model Scope. Feel free to visit the model cards for detailed usages and learn more information about each model, including its features, performance, etc. For a long time, a lot of friends have been supporting the development of Qwen, including fine-tuning, Axolotl, Llama Factory, Firefly, Swift, Xtuner, quantization, AutoGPTQ, AutoAWQ, Neural Compressor, deployment, VLLM, SGL, SkyPilot, TensorRT LLM, OpenVINO, TGI, API platforms, Together, Fireworks, OpenRouter, Local Run, MLX, llama.cpp, LLaMA, LM Studio, Agent and RAG frameworks, LlamaIndex, Crew AI, OpenDevin, Evaluation, LMSEs, OpenCompass, OpenLLM Leaderboard, Model Training, Dolphin, OpenBuddy, etc. For how to use Qwen 2 with the third-party frameworks, please refer to the respective documentation as well as our official documentation. What's next for Qwen 2? We are training larger Qwen 2 models to further explore model scaling along with our recent data scaling. Additionally, we extend the Qwen 2 language models to multimodal, capable of understanding both vision and audio information. In the near future, we will continue open-source new models to accelerate open-source AI. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel for AI update.